Welcome to our complete guide on Tajikistan tax residency. Today, we will explore the essential aspects you need to understand if you're considering Tajikistan as your tax base. Navigating international taxation can be complex, especially when it comes to residency rules. Knowing the local nuances of Tajikistan's tax system is key for effective tax planning, especially for international professionals and digital nomads looking to establish their residency here. So let's dive into what it takes to become a tax resident in this unique Central Asian country. Understanding tax residency in Tajikistan begins with defining what it means to be a tax resident. Generally, if you are deemed a tax resident, you are liable to pay taxes on your worldwide income. Conversely, non-residents will only be taxed on income earned within Tajikistan. This fundamental distinction is crucial and highlights the importance of determining your residency status, as it directly affects your overall tax obligations in the country. Familiarizing yourself with Tajikistan's residency rules will set you on the right path for compliance and effective planning. The cornerstone of Tajikistan's tax residency determination is the 183-day rule. To qualify as a tax resident, individuals must spend 183 days or more in Tajikistan during a consecutive 12-month period. This international standard is not just a local rule, but a common criterion across many jurisdictions. It's important to know that these days do not have to be consecutive, meaning frequent travelers can tally their time in Tajikistan throughout the year. Keeping an accurate log of your entry and exit dates is essential, and using digital tools like Pebbles can tremendously assist in tracking your time across borders. To formally establish tax residency, you will need to complete a few critical steps, starting with the registration process. New residents must register with the Tax Committee of the Republic of Tajikistan by submitting an application along with necessary documentation. Upon approval, you'll receive a Tax Identification Number, or TIN, which is vital for all tax dealings in Tajikistan. It's crucial to complete the registration within 30 days of meeting residency requirements, otherwise you may face penalties. Therefore, prompt registration should be a key part of your tax strategy in Tajikistan. Lastly, let's discuss the benefits of becoming a tax resident in Tajikistan. The country offers a relatively moderate income tax structure, with rates ranging from 8% to 13%. This appealing tax framework has drawn many international professionals seeking a tax-efficient environment. Furthermore, Tajikistan has established double taxation treaties with various nations to prevent double taxation on the same income, which can be extremely beneficial. Ultimately, understanding these advantages along with the lifestyle opportunities that Tajikistan presents can greatly enhance your experience as a tax resident here.